Two of the Assembly Room's most famous events are connected to the literary legend Sir Walter Scott, the man who almost single-handedly created the image of romantic Scotland, a place of wild glens, noble Highlanders, and of course, tartan. In 1822, Scott stage-managed several days of spectacular pomp and pageantry to honour King George IV, the first British monarch to visit Scotland in over 160 years. Tartan was previously associated with rebellious Highland Jacobites, but with breathtaking audacity, Scott used it to celebrate the Hanoverian monarch, even persuading the king to wear a kilt during his visit. One of the festivities was the Grand Peers' Ball at the Assembly Rooms, where Scott insisted that non-military gentlemen should appear in ancient Highland costume, or kilt. Thankfully, the king did not actually wear his kilt to the Peers' Ball, as it was far too short and very unflattering. But many important and powerful Scotsmen did, and the tradition of wearing Highland dress as formal wear across Scotland began. Just 5 years later, at a dinner in the ballroom, Scott again provided the drama, when he revealed himself to be the anonymous author of the highly acclaimed and extremely popular Waverley novels, a whole new genre of historical fiction that made Scott a household name across the world.